Hello, I am going to show how to export APK targeting API 33 in Unreal Engine 4.27.2. As you can see that I already uploaded APK targeting API 33 in my Google Play console. Now I will show SDK, NDK and Java version and configuration to make this possible for you guys. First I will show JDK version that I used, which is JDK 11.0.19. Previously I had JDK 8, but that didn't work, so I had to update to JDK 11. So in SDK platform here you have to uninstall package for Android 13 API level 33 and install Android Pie API 28 if you haven't installed it. It seems weird that we are going to export our APK targeting API level 33 but Android 13 package is not installed. However, this is how we can make it work. In SDK tools you can copy my configuration and install version that I have and uninstall any other version. Here is important part to export for API level 33. Now, we have to install NDK version 21 ending with 147, and we are gonna use it in Unreal Engine Android SDK setting. Now, in Unreal Engine project setting we have to set target API to 33, then change Android SDK directories for new JDK and NDK. After doing this you should be able to export APK targeting API level 33 successfully. Thank you for watching.